back to my channel. I'm CasseyNicole. I feel like I haven't said that in a minute, but it's okay. Guys, hit the subscribe button down below to make sure you never miss a video that I post, and tune in. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys like a soft glam makeup look when I want to go out and be cute, you know, face beat, but not do too much, you know, be simple, you know, catch a few eyes. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, tune in. Okay, so getting into the video, I like to go in like with the Vaseline first, just to make sure my lips are really good. Alrighty, and the first thing I like to do is I like to do my brows. So y'all already, I already have a video of my eyebrow routine, so down below. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera, then I'm gonna come back. Alrighty guys, so now the next thing I like to do is I like to go in with my beauty blender and do my foundation. So the two colors I use is 355 and 340. 355 is coconut and 340 is cappuccino, and the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless liquid foundation. So this is the only foundation that helps me from being oily. And go ahead and blend that all in there. And once that is all blended, I like to go in with my L.AGirls Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I like to highlight under my eyes. Then I take the tip of the beauty blender and blend it in. Y'all, all these trucks is like going past my house the day I want to record. Like, I don't get it. So the next step is to contour. So I take the ULTA Contour Kit. I kind of don't like this one. I really like the I think that the cream concealer will work for me, but y'all bear with me because my new brushes are on the way and they just want to take forever to get here. So I'm kind of using the old brushes I have, so bear with me. But we're just gonna contour the cheekbones. Yeah, I like the cream better. That's just me. I think the cream will work better. And since this is a natural look, I'm not going for a real dramatic cream and well, not cream, but contour. I'm just kind of nice and simple. Then I go underneath with my beauty blender and kind of like to bake under my contour line. Like, I don't really go in with a little tapered brush. These brushes are from BH Cosmetics, and I go back into, I'm sorry I didn't show y'all, but these are the two shades that I use, Golden Bronzer and Bombshell Bronzer. And so I go and I kind of contour my nose just a little bit. My nose really doesn't need to be contoured, but sorry. So while I'm baking, I like to go in and do my eyeshadow. And so the eyeshadow primer that I'm gonna use, I already had this in one of my videos, is the NYX primer base. So we're gonna put that all over my eyelids. Y'all, I use this contour palette for a lot. Like, I don't just use it for contour, but I'm gonna go in with a golden bronzer and use that as my transition shade. And I bake and do all that before I do my foundation, well, you know, my eyeshadow and stuff, because I oil like really bad. Like, I have normal to combo skin, but I just oil really bad. And so just to, you know, make sure I don't look like a grease ball throughout the day, I make sure I bake for a minute. Like, I bake for a minute. All right, and so next I go in with the Revolution Redemption eyeshadow palette in Iconic 2. And this is the shade that we're gonna be using right here. It's kind of like a rose gold, but it's a gold as well, and it has like a hint of rose gold in it. So we're gonna use this shade right here, 4 Over, from the lightest shade, and pat that on my eyelid. And this is a soft gold look. This is my go-to, you know, glam look when I want to be nice and simple. Alrighty, and what I like to do next is go in with the NYX Professional Makeup That's the Point liner. This is just like a marker type liner, but I normally use like a liquid liner, but lately I've been kind of like into this, so I like it. So this, we're gonna go into lashes, but the lashes I'm using today is the Double Up Ardell double wispy lashes. They come in a little thing like this, and they have like, of course, this was inside. And then I normally this is the Salon Perfect clear adhesive eyebrow lash glue, but then they also came with the Ardell lash glue too, so I'm gonna use the one, of course, that I already opened. And these are the lashes right here. So I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera, then I'm gonna come back. And once my lashes are applied, I like to go in with just like a normal mascara and kind of, you know, because of course the foundation got on my lashes, and to make sure they blend well. I really like these lashes, they're really cute. I normally go for like the natural lashes, but like when I want to be cute and a little extra, I do that. And like sometimes if I feel like a lash doesn't like go too, you know, close up, I like to go over top and just line it. It's like always this eye. I don't know. It's always this eye. Alrighty. So once that is done, I'm going to brush off all the powder. And y'all, to be honest, this powder doesn't really have like a white cast to it. I did a flashback test, and it's actually really good. And I know it looks kind of white and light right now, but we're gonna fix that. All right, once that's all dusted away, I go in with the True Match powder in the color Poudre, and I put that all over my face just to make sure everything blends well, tone some things down. And you know, yeah, my hair looks great. This is like a 5-day twist out. No, wash and go. 5-day wash and go. And oh my god. Alrighty. Oop, forgot a spot. Alright. And so next I like to go in with the Revolution Sun Kiss highlighter, and it's in the color like Peach Kiss. And to be honest, y'all, I really kind of feel like this this highlighter is a little bit too light for me. I feel like it gives me that ashy effect, and I don't really like that. So we're just gonna have to find another highlighter. But yeah, we just gonna have to find another highlighter because this right here is not. It just depends. I don't know. All right, and then I spray my face. Y'all, I forgot to tell y'all. Sorry, but I'm trying these new setting sprays and finishing sprays. So when I first put my makeup on, I sprayed my face with the Pro Fix. I'm sorry, not the Pro Fix, but the Pro Base by Revolution. This one is new. It's like a priming base, so I sprayed that over my face first. Sorry I didn't show y'all, but I sprayed this over my face first, and then I go in lastly with the Pro Fix fixing spray, and I spray this all over my face. Ooh. Just make sure your eyes ain't open when, your mouth ain't open when you do that. Once that is all dry, I take just like a regular black gel liner. This is in Blackest Black New York, I guess, or Blackest Black Maybelline New York Ice Studio, and I go under my eye and kind of line my eye. I have a lot of Revolution and like Maybelline. And then I like to, you know, check, make sure. And so for lips, I normally, like, since I put the Vaseline on, like, sometimes I do maybe like a liquid matte lipstick by Milani, or, you know, something like that. But today, since we're going for a soft look, I'm just gonna use like a lip and like a little gloss and a little lipstick. So what I do is I go in with the Covergirl. Y'all have this for a minute. The 330 in cream. This one, look right here. And I go in and put this all over my lip. Just a little bit. And you see that this is kind of light for me, so I dark it up with a brown lip liner. And then I go in with just like a clear gel. A clear lip gloss. This one is by NK Makeup. I was just like, I need a clear gloss, and I just picked up the first one I saw at the beauty supply store. All these products I got at Ulta, or from Ulta. You can find all these products at Ulta or your local beauty supply store. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. I will see y'all next time.